that's the situation we were in. So as you probably know or seen, this is the W108. Came in with minor scratch on the passenger side, so we decided to do a full rebuild of this. As you can see, we took out the engine, and that's not it. We're gonna be taking this whole baby apart. Reason being, fixing this was gonna be too hectic, so decided to source an exact same replica, that is a W108, which is this shell that we got. So we'll be moving all the crucial and all the good parts from the blue, or rather the dark blue 108 onto this one. As you can see, we already started with the chrome bumpers just to see if they fit, because we'll still be doing some body work on the shell we got. And as you can see, the shell was fully loaded. So this is the engine that we took from the accident W108. Yeah, it was clean running actually, so mechanical wise it was top notch, just that the body was not in good shape. So we got this one. As you can see, we've already done some body work on it, some paint on the engine bay, so it was looking something like that. Yeah, so we also took the wheel hub, if I may call it the wheel hub, just the whole part from the wreckage. It was still intact, so we are gonna be using that one as it was in good and pristine condition. So as you can see, tunaipiga ma washing kidogo ndio iko ready for the new install. As you can see, that's how it was looking. That's a better view. So yeah, it's not as bad as it looks, because good thing that there were no casualties. So as you can see, really took a hit from the side. Yeah, so that's the shell we are restoring. As you can see, bodywork iko complete, inakuja fiti. The hood, we decided to use the one that was there, so that's just a bit of a snippet of how it looks. Trust you me, it's gonna take better shape than this, so definitely stay tuned. As you can see, Rico pale imepiga kazi yake. Definitely Volcan had to just steal the show. So that's the side view of how it looks. As you can see, this shell was really clean, and also came with the interior parts. That's the chairs, the dashboard, the steering, and all of that. But we won't be using this, because the ones on the other one are much cleaner. As you can see, the roof pia tumetoanisha. We'll be using the one on the other W108. That goes for the steering, the dash, but for now we want to do the body restorations first, do some undercoat on it, so that now we leave the mechs to do their thing, that is on the engine, the wheels, the interior, and all that. So speaking of body, we were doing an undercoat, so we'll do like 2 layers of undercoats and then leave it at that for a while, and now leave the work to the mechanical experts. So as you can see, Rico pale alikuanga site mbaya ingine mwecheche. So that's how it was looking after the first coat. You can see, you look a little purple to look a little pink, so that you can look a little red, and maybe eventually a little maroon. Who knows? Stay tuned. So that's how it was taking shape. That's just the first undercoat, as you can see. So that's the progress basically as of now. So kutoatoa magazeti, so that now we can get a look at it. As you can see, the donor pale nyuma amechill too. So kumalizia brushing up on the final coat, and voila, that's how it looks, and that's the progress so far. So basically, what's left from now is just installing the engine, the interior, and getting her running. FYI, the engine was running as it was, so it's just a matter of just fixing it up. Had to put the bonnet so that ikae at least ionyeshe shape venye inakaa. So hapo ni Rico doing his thing, and voila, that's how we're looking at the moment. So not much, but stay tuned for the mechanical bit of it. This is gonna be definitely one hell of a project. So cheers, stay tuned, see you on the next one.